Iran's latest weapons, power and strategy in the Middle East. In recent years, Iran has significantly advanced its military capabilities, unveiling a new generation of weapons designed to enhance its influence in the Middle East and beyond. From precision-guided missiles to stealth drones, Iran's military industry is evolving, driven by necessity, sanctions, and regional tensions. Iran's missile program is one of the most advanced in the region. The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps has unveiled a new hypersonic missile called Fateh-2, capable of maneuvering at high speeds and evading enemy defense systems. With a reported range of over 1,400 kilometers, this missile represents a leap in Iran's deterrence strategy. Older missiles like the Desful and Khorramshahr 4 have also been upgraded with enhanced guidance systems and solid fuel technology, allowing faster deployment and improved accuracy. Unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, have become a key component of Iran's military doctrine. The Mohajer-10, unveiled in 2023, boasts an operational range of 2,000 kilometers and can carry up to 300 kilograms of payload, including bombs and surveillance equipment. The Shahed series, including the infamous Shahed 136, has been used in both reconnaissance and combat roles, and has drawn international attention for its use in conflict zones like Ukraine and Syria. In the waters of the Persian Gulf, Iran relies on asymmetric naval tactics. Its new fast attack boats are now equipped with anti-ship cruise missiles, allowing rapid strike capabilities in narrow waterways. The launch of the Fateh-class submarines marked a milestone in Iran's underwater warfare. These subs can deploy torpedoes and even cruise missiles, giving Tehran greater stealth and reach beneath the surface. In response to regional threats, Iran has developed its own air defense systems. The Bavar 373, often compared to Russia's S-300, can track and destroy targets at ranges up to 300 kilometers. Combined with systems like KHOR-DAD-15, Iran has created a multi-layered shield capable of detecting stealth aircraft, drones, and cruise missiles. Beyond the battlefield, Iran is investing in cyber capabilities. While details remain classified, Iranian cyber units have been linked to various operations targeting infrastructure, surveillance networks, and military assets across the region. Electronic warfare systems like Nazir and Radar Jammer 1 are designed to disrupt enemy communications and radar, giving Iranian forces an edge in modern combat. As geopolitical tensions rise, Iran continues to push the boundaries of its defense industry. While some see these developments as a sign of strength and sovereignty, others view them as a destabilizing force in an already volatile region. One thing is certain: Iran's military innovations are reshaping the balance of power in the Middle East, weapon by weapon, strategy by strategy.